You work hard for your money. You try to save, you try to be smart. But sometimes it feels like your bank account is a leaky bucket, no matter how much you pour in. What if I told you there are specific, subtle habits, often hidden in plain sight, quietly siphoning your wealth even when you think you're doing everything right? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what these invisible drains are and how to plug them for good. The first habit that keeps people broke is what I call the little treat justification. You've had a tough week. You deserve that fancy coffee, that new gadget, or that online shopping spree. Take Zoe, constantly scrolling, seeing something new and thinking, it's only X dollars and I earned it. These aren't big, planned purchases, but a constant drip of small, emotion-driven splurges that accumulate into a significant outflow. Individually, they feel harmless, but together, they derail your budget and prevent any meaningful savings. Next up is the set it and forget it mentality with recurring expenses. Think about all those subscription services. Marcus signed up for 5 streaming platforms, a gym membership he rarely uses, and an app for meditation last year. He barely uses 2 of them, but they keep billing him month after month. The problem isn't the occasional subscription, it's the inertia of never reviewing them. They just sit there, quietly eating away at your funds. There's a simple annual audit technique I'll share in a moment that tackles this head-on. But here's the twist, the sneakiest habit of all, ignoring the micro decisions. It's not just the big bills, but the small, unconscious choices you make daily. Linda is fantastic with her big budget items, but she never packs lunch, always buys bottled water, and grabs a snack from the vending machine every afternoon. These micro decisions add up rapidly. They feel insignificant, yet they carve out a substantial chunk of your potential savings, often without you even realizing it. The real danger of these habits isn't just the money lost, it's the opportunity cost. Every dollar spent on an unnecessary treat, forgotten subscription, or daily micro purchase is a dollar that couldn't contribute to your future, your emergency fund, or an investment that could actually grow your wealth. It's not about deprivation, it's about intentionality. So, how do we fix this? For the little treat justification, implement a 24-hour rule for any non-essential purchase over a certain amount, say $20. If you still want it tomorrow, great. Often, the urge passes. This simple pause gives your rational brain a chance to catch up with your emotional one. Now, remember I mentioned that annual audit for recurring expenses? Here it is. Once a year, block out 30 minutes, open your bank and credit card statements, and meticulously list every single recurring charge. Ask yourself, do I actively use this? Is it worth the money? Can I get a cheaper alternative? You'll be surprised what you find. This is Hank's new favorite Sunday afternoon activity. For the micro decisions, the key is awareness, not perfection. Start by tracking just one category for a week. How much did you spend on coffee, on snacks, on eating out for lunch? You don't have to cut it all out, but seeing the real numbers is often enough to inspire conscious changes. Small shifts here create massive ripples. Ultimately, breaking these habits comes down to shifting from unconscious spending to intentional choices. It's about being present with your money, rather than letting it quietly slip through your fingers. Start small, be consistent, and watch your financial picture transform. If this video gave you something valuable to think about regarding your own spending, please hit the like button. It truly helps this message reach more people. And if you're ready to take control of your financial future, subscribe to the channel. We've got new strategies every week that I think you'll find incredibly useful.